No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, only started. No, no. He is not yielding. He is not yielding.
Thank you, Speaker Sir, for letting me speak on the President's address. A young colleague over there made an allegation against the Congress party. I was not going to raise this issue, but because he has raised the issue about our patriotism, our understanding of Indian culture, I'd like to start by reading something. And this is from the memoirs of Army Chief Naravane. And I'd like you to listen nicely. You will understand exactly who is patriotic, who is not. It'll take a little while, so this is about when 4 Chinese tanks were entering Indian territory. They were taking a ridge in Doklam, and the Army Chief writes, and I quote from an article that is quoting his book. The tanks were within a few hundred meters of Indian positions on the Kailash range.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, only started. No, no. He is not yielding. He is not yielding. Sir, sir. This is. He is only starting.
क्या वह पुस्तक प्रकाशित हुई है जिसमें यह सब सारी बातें उन्होंने लिखी हैं? यदि प्रकाशित हुई है तब तो आप उसका उल्लेख करिए, नहीं प्रकाशित हुई है तो उल्लेख करने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है। अध्यक्ष
Sir, दीजिए. So this is 100% authentic. 100% authentic. Because sir, I have not said anything. So these are the memoirs of General Naravane, in which it.
My question. If anything is wrong, Rajnath Singh ji can reply after his speech, sir. Sir, they are disturbing the opposition leaders.
अध्यक्ष जी, वो मैगजीन की रिपोर्ट है, नरवणे जी ने नहीं कहा।
ये गारंटीड ऑथेंटिक है। इसमें नारावाने जी ने कहा है कि उनका मेमोआर है, उसे सरकार पब्लिश नहीं होने दे रही है। इसमें सब लिखा है। और मैं सिर्फ इसमें से 5 लाइन पढ़ना चाहता हूं, जिसमें नारावाने जी ने राजनाथ सिंह के बारे में और मोदी जी के बारे में बोला है।
हमारे अडवाणी जी और अटल जी चर्चा करना चाहते थे, वो चर्चा नहीं कर सकते सर।
मैं
स्पीकर सर,
आप देशभक्ति की ओर बात बताएं
सर मुझे बोलने, ठीक है सर।